And I know these niggas mad as fuck. Bitch, I'm in a trap with you and we throw it. I don't want that no for real. These niggas ain't got no swag for real. I ain't no little bad, but bitch, I'm in my bag for real. What's up, Ray Babe? So y'all, new day, new vlog. Welcome back, or welcome to my channel if you new, y'all. Welcome back. So y'all, new day, new vlog. Right now, it is Monday. It's 2:26. Y'all, I'm on my way to my lash appointment. I'm kind of running late. That's why my hair looks kind of crazy, y'all. I was supposed to get there at 2:30, but I'm running a little late. But y'all, I'm about to go get my lashes done, and then I'm gonna go get my eyebrows threaded, y'all. I need to touch them up. This is gonna be a weekly vlog, y'all. I'm getting my hair silk pressed on Wednesday, y'all. Got class on Wednesday, and I'm also going to go hang out on Wednesday too, y'all. So we got some things in this vlog, y'all. But yeah, y'all, I love you all so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, y'all, comment. I love my loyal supporters. Literally, I love y'all down. But yeah, y'all, that's the update. Feeling good, looking great. Yeah.
Swear to God, I'm feeling. My bitch educated, shining clients pay the payment. She don't need a job thing. My bitch strip like Teletone. Hit the strip like every week. Plus we burn her half an hour. Just that life that got no limit. My visa never be pimped out. Condo out in town, it's like the
Alright, babe, so y'all, I got my lashes done. They look so good. But yeah, y'all, my lashes look so good. I just went to Tim Hortons and I got me an ice cap, y'all. Y'all know I love me an ice cap. So, well, actually, I don't know if y'all know that. I've been drinking them more, like, throughout the time I haven't been vlogging. But y'all, I do love me an ice cap. So. But y'all, I'm on the way to the mall right now because I'm about to get my eyebrows threaded. And then after that, I think I'm gonna go to Qdoba because I don't really got no food at home. And then I'm gonna go home and study, y'all. So that's my little update. I love my lashes. So yeah. Alright, babe. So y'all, I got my eyebrows done. That literally looks so good, y'all. But right now I'm in Burlington, or actually this is TJ Maxx, y'all. I'm just looking around, but I found this pajama set, and y'all low-key want to get it, but I don't want to buy it because y'all, pajamas are my kryptonite. Like, I love buying PJ sets now, and this is like a cute little Hello Kitty one. This is the shirt, and then these are the shorts, y'all. And I really want this. But yeah, y'all, I don't know what to do because I'm really not trying to spend no extra money. But I really want these PJs.
nigga from New Orleans, I'm the nigga from the set, though. Slap been hot since get-go. Making money, niggas making money. They don't see. I'm still riding down some radio. Real niggas know what the real strip be. Real niggas know what the real hit be. Real niggas know what the...
What's up, Ray Babe? So y'all, it is the next day. The last time you saw me, I was trying on the outfits. Y'all, I ended up getting the pajama set. It's so cute, y'all. I got it on right now. And then I ended up getting this sweater, y'all. I'm literally obsessed with this sweater. I'm so happy that I got this, literally, y'all. I ended up getting the 3-piece set, y'all. And then this also comes with like a matching headband. This is so cute, and I love how the sweater fits me. Like, it's cropped, it's tight, and then it's like flare leggings. But y'all, I want to open up my package with y'all because I ordered an Ed Hardy set, and I'm gonna wear this to my hair appointment too, y'all. I hope this looks good and fits good. And y'all, I'm so happy because now it's getting cold. Like, in my area, it's like 50 degrees out right now. So, because I wanted to wear my Uggs with this outfit, so that's exactly what I can do. Alright, y'all, so this is the sweater. I'm gonna try it on. Yes, I think this is gonna fit me perfect. And the color is popping. Literally.
Alright, y'all, this is the outfit on. It is so cute, y'all, and it fits me perfect. Like, literally fits me perfect. The color is popping. Like, I literally love this, y'all. I got a size small. And, y'all, I'm obsessed with this. Literally, y'all, like. But, y'all, I'm about to clean up my room, put my laundry away, and then after I finish doing that, I'm gonna go to the gym and then get in the shower, get myself together, y'all. So that's my little update. Yeah. What's up, Ray Babe? So y'all, new day, new vlog. Last time y'all saw me, I was at the gym. Y'all, I'm getting my hair done right now. I'm getting my silk press. I got my little outfit on, y'all. And it's Wednesday, y'all. I did not go to class this morning because I did not feel good, literally. So, yeah, y'all, I'm just getting my hair done right now. Yeah, that's the update. What's up, Ray Babe? So, y'all, new day, new vlog. Y'all, the last time you saw me, I was getting my hair done, but I never updated y'all. So, I'm going to just put a clip in.
Get in there.
Wait, hold on. I'm going to just put a clip in of my hair, y'all. It's clearly over now, but y'all, right now we're in Five Below because we about to paint some pumpkins near my man and his little brother. So we're about to get the paint. We already got the pumpkins, so yeah. So yeah, let's find the paint. We gotta I used to have one of these.
You ain't getting that. Actually, that's some bullshit.
Alright, let's go.
You see some cute shit, you can get it.
Oh,
those is the paint too.
Get whatever I want.
Get whatever I want.
Thank you, babe.
Alright, come on.
Ooh, what's this? Oh my gosh, this is so
bullshit.
satisfying.
That's some bullshit. Put that back.
No, I'm gonna play with this.
Alright, you can play with it.
Well, they got a pickle.
That's a cucumber. Oh, that is a pickle. So you gonna be in that bitch, Tino? I'm my bad. Want a little boo boo?
Little boo boo. I already got my little boo boo.
That's bad. Somebody will take out a this mirror, son. You take a picture?
I'm gonna look at the posters.
What's that song?
What?
By Lucky.
Yeah, nigga got 1,000 songs. My little boo boo. My little boo boo. Alright, come on,
Need you for the old me. Need you for my sanity. Need you to remind me where I come from. Can you remind me of my gravity? Remind me when I'm tumbling, spiraling, plummeting.
What's up, Ray Babe? So y'all, the last clip y'all saw, I was painting my pumpkin, y'all. It turned out so cute. I'm gonna put a picture right here to show y'all, or I'll just put a video in, I don't know. But y'all, right now I'm about to go clean out my car, and I gotta go to Walmart to go pick up a prescription, y'all. What else do I gotta do? I gotta go to Dollar Tree so I can get some car wipes. So I'll probably do that first and then go clean out my car. And yeah, y'all, that's the update. I don't really have much going on. This vlog probably a little boring. Cause like I was supposed to, like, y'all, I didn't record me getting my hair done, and then I didn't end up going to do that perfume thing. So, and that was kind of like, I was making that like most of this vlog. But yeah, y'all, it's just my life. So yeah, but I got a trim when I got my hair done, and like I can tell, like when I'm brushing my hair out, it just gives much more healthier, y'all. So yeah, y'all, that's the update. I'm about to go to the Dollar Tree, and yeah. Alright, y'all, so I'm in the Dollar Tree. I found the wipes that I want, and these ones. And y'all, I think I might get these little vent fans and this, because this is my favorite scent. Y'all, I love this scent. But y'all, I'm gonna see what other scents they got, because this might smell good. This Axe. Let me smell this. I like the black ice better. So yeah, I'm gonna get these wipes and stuff. Y'all, when I tell y'all blessed and highly favored, because why the girl only scanned one thing and I got two, y'all? So I literally got both of those things for $159, y'all. But y'all, I'm about to go into TJ Maxx and see if they got any cute pajamas in here, because y'all, I'm a pajama fanatic. So I'm gonna just go in here really quick. I don't want to spend a lot of time in here, but yeah. These are so cute. How much are these? $12.99. I need something like this to put all my overnight stuff in. This is only $7.99. But I kind of like this one. This is cute. How much is this one? $10. This is really cute. This one is cute too. I might get this one. How much is this one? $10. This is really cute. But I feel like this is a lot smarter because I can put stuff that gets wet in here.
Down to earth, you keep me down to earth. Call me on my bullshit. Out of me and save my booty, getting bigger, even if it ain't. Tell me, even if it ain't.
But y'all, we end up getting our food. I got Qdoba.
You been vlogging all day?
Oh yeah, since we departed. Y'all, they filled the bowl up to the brim. So I'm about to eat. We got some Bucharest. But yeah, y'all, what's the update?
Even if it pain you,